Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Using this our app, you can easily import users using Excel or CSV file. You can see here our module Dev import users. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to users and see here not display menu for import users. So first go to users and see here this menu. Allow to import user from CSV or Excel file. First allow this. Let's save. Again go to users and now display this menu. Import users. Here available total 5 users. But I want to import this Anita, Deco and Gemini. So click on this import users. Now upload here your file and click on this import users. See here this message, all users imported successfully. So see here Anita, Deco and Gemini is imported here. Thank you.